Hey there, fellow explorers! Get ready to dive into a world of vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and flavors that'll make your taste buds sing. We're off to Malaysia. This Southeast Asian gem is a melting pot of experiences, where ancient rainforests whisper tales of old and modern cities reach for the stars. From the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur to the tranquil beaches of Langkawi, Malaysia is a country that has something for everyone. So, buckle up, grab your sense of adventure, and let's embark on a journey to discover the wonders that await in this magical land. Don't forget your appetite for adventure. You're gonna need it. First stop, Kuala Lumpur, or KL, as the cool kids call it. This vibrant city is a melting pot of cultures, where the old meets the new in the most fascinating ways. From the bustling streets to the serene temples, KL offers a unique blend of experiences that cater to every kind of traveler. This city is a whirlwind of energy, where towering skyscrapers cast long shadows over ancient temples. The juxtaposition of modernity and tradition is evident everywhere you look. It's a place where you can witness the rapid pace of urban development while still feeling the deep-rooted cultural heritage. You'll find yourself captivated by the Petronas Towers, once the tallest buildings in the world, shimmering like beacons of modernity. These iconic structures are not just architectural marvels, but also symbols of Malaysia's progress and ambition. Whether you view them during the day or illuminated at night, they never fail to impress. Take a stroll through the colorful streets of Chinatown, where you can haggle for souvenirs and sample delicious street food. The vibrant atmosphere, with its mix of sights, sounds, and smells, is an experience in itself. From traditional Chinese medicine shops to trendy cafes, Chinatown is a microcosm of KL's diversity. And don't forget to visit the Batu Caves, a Hindu shrine nestled within a limestone hill. This sacred site is not only a place of worship, but also a testament to the natural beauty and spiritual significance that Malaysia holds. The towering statue of Lord Murugan at the entrance is a sight to behold. Just be prepared to climb a few stairs, 272 to be exact. The colorful steps leading up to the caves are an Instagram favorite, but they also serve as a reminder of the journey and effort involved in reaching spiritual enlightenment. I guess you could say it's a stairway to enlightenment? Okay, I'll stick to travel, but trust me, the view is worth it. From the top, you get a panoramic view of the city that makes every step worthwhile. It's a perfect spot to reflect on the blend of tradition and modernity that defines Kuala Lumpur. Next up, we're heading north to Penang, an island known for its rich history and mouth-watering cuisine. This vibrant island is a melting pot of cultures, where the old meets the new, and every corner tells a story. From its colonial architecture to its bustling markets, Penang is a feast for the senses. But what truly sets it apart is its food scene, which is nothing short of legendary. Seriously, come hungry. Penang is a foodie's paradise, where you can indulge in a symphony of flavors from Malay, Chinese, and Indian culinary traditions. The streets are lined with food stalls, each offering a unique taste of the island's diverse heritage. Whether you're a fan of spicy, sweet, or savory, there's something here to satisfy every craving. Start your day with a steaming bowl of asam laksa, a spicy and sour fish noodle soup that'll wake up your taste buds. This iconic dish is a harmonious blend of tangy tamarind, fresh herbs, and succulent fish, creating a flavor explosion in every bite. It's a must-try for anyone visiting Penang. For a sweet treat, be sure to try Ais Kacang, a colorful shaved ice dessert drizzled with sweet syrups and condensed milk. Topped with a variety of ingredients like red beans, sweet corn, and jelly, it's a refreshing way to beat the tropical heat. Each bite is a delightful mix of textures and flavors. It's like a party in your mouth and everyone's invited. The vibrant colors and playful presentation make it a favorite among both locals and tourists. Sharing a bowl of Ais Kacang with friends is a quintessential Penang experience. And if you're feeling adventurous, try the durian fruit. Just be warned, it has a rather pungent aroma. Known as the king of fruits, durian is loved and loathed in equal measure. Its creamy texture and unique flavor are an acquired taste, but for those who dare, it's an unforgettable culinary adventure. Ready for some relaxation? Then let's jet off to Langkawi, an archipelago of 99 islands in the Andaman Sea. With its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lush rainforests, Langkawi is the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Take a dip in the turquoise waters of Pantai Kenang, Langkawi's most popular beach. Or for a truly unforgettable experience, hop on a cable car and soar high above the rainforest canopy to the Langkawi Sky Bridge, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the islands. It's enough to make you forget all your worries, at least until you have to get back down. Beyond the beaten path, a glimpse into the heart of Malaysia. While the big cities and popular islands are certainly a sight to behold, Malaysia's true charm lies in its hidden gems, waiting to be discovered. Venture off the beaten path and immerse yourself in the country's rich cultural tapestry. Explore the Cameron Highlands, a region of rolling hills carpeted with tea plantations, where you can sip on a cup of freshly brewed tea while enjoying breathtaking views. Or journey to Taman Negara, one of the oldest rainforests in the world, and trek through its dense jungle, home to a fascinating array of flora and fauna. The call of the wild nature's masterpieces, calling all nature enthusiasts. Malaysia is a paradise for wildlife lovers, with a diverse range of ecosystems teeming with life. From orangutans swinging through the rainforest canopy to sea turtles nesting on pristine beaches. Get ready to encounter incredible creatures in their natural habitat. Head to Borneo, the third largest island in the world, and visit the Sepalak Orangutan Rehabilitation Center, where orphaned and injured orangutans are nursed back to health. Or for a truly unforgettable underwater adventure, go diving or snorkeling in Sipadan, a marine park renowned for its incredible biodiversity. Just try not to get chased by a clownfish. They can be surprisingly territorial. A feast for the senses, savoring Malaysia's culinary delights. One thing's for sure, you won't go hungry in Malaysia. The streets are alive with the aroma of sizzling satay skewers, the rich scent of coconut-infused rice, and the tantalizing spices of curry. Every corner you turn, there's a new culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. This country is a culinary melting pot, where flavors from Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous cultures collide to create a symphony of taste that will tantalize your taste buds. Imagine the fusion of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy all in one bite. It's a gastronomic journey like no other. From spicy curries to savory noodles, each dish tells a story of Malaysia's rich cultural tapestry. The curries, with their deep, complex flavors, are a testament to the Indian influence, while the noodles, often stir-fried to perfection, reflect the Chinese heritage. Fragrant rice dishes to delectable desserts, there's something for every palate. The rice dishes, often cooked with aromatic herbs and spices, are a staple in Malaysian cuisine. And the desserts? Oh, the desserts. They are a delightful end to any meal, often made with tropical fruits and coconut milk. Malaysian cuisine is a celebration of flavor and diversity. It's a reflection of the country's history and the many cultures that have influenced it. Each dish is a work of art, crafted with love and tradition. Be sure to try Nasi Lemak, the national dish of Malaysia, a fragrant rice dish cooked in coconut milk and served with a variety of sides. It's a perfect example of how simple ingredients can come together to create something truly extraordinary. And don't forget to wash it all down with a refreshing teh tarik, a sweet and milky tea that's sure to quench your thirst. This iconic drink, often poured theatrically from a height to create a frothy top, is the perfect companion to any Malaysian meal. So come with an open heart and an empty stomach, and let Malaysia's culinary delights take you on an unforgettable journey. The people of Malaysia, woven from kindness. But what truly makes Malaysia special is its people. Known for their warmth, hospitality, and infectious smiles, Malaysians will welcome you with open arms and make you feel right at home. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with the locals. They're always eager to share their culture and stories with visitors. And who knows, you might even pick up a few Malay phrases along the way. Just remember, terima kasih means thank you, a phrase you'll be using a lot during your trip. Until next time, Malaysia. Well, folks, our whirlwind adventure through Malaysia has come to an end. From the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur to the tranquil beaches of Langkawi, from the spicy curries to the friendly smiles, Malaysia has certainly left an unforgettable mark on our hearts. But the journey doesn't have to end here. For more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to visit countrydiscover.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. We love hearing from our fellow adventurers. Until next time, happy travels.